Hey everyone, today I wanted to talk about injuries that can happen if you're ever in police custody. So, if you are ever in a jail or a prison and you are hurt in that prison or jail, you can potentially bring a claim against the operator of the prison, which is usually either the county sheriff, or sometimes it could be the state if it's in the prison. um, because in while you're in custody, the state and the government always has a duty to protect you, it's because you are in their custody. So they have a duty to make sure that you're fed, that you have adequate medical care, and that you're being protected. There was a story that came out this year that a man in Ventura County custody was beat up multiple times, given allegations that he was a double murderer and that he was facing charges of double murder. And his attorney had requested that he be placed in protective custody because of the violent beatings he had been experiencing from other inmates. However, the county did not place him in protective custody. He was beat up again. This time, however, he died of his injuries, and his family brought a lawsuit against the county for negligence while he was in custody, that they had a duty to protect him, and they settled this case for $8.5 million. And this just goes to show that the state and the county always has the responsibility to the inmates. It does not matter their record, it does not matter their story. What matters is how is the county and how is the state treating them while they're in custody, because the Constitution provides that they have to give you due process, and they have to make sure that you're not against anything unreasonable while you're in custody. That's the Fifth Amendment and the Eighth Amendment. So if you or anyone you know has ever been severely hurt while you're in custody, you may have a claim against the government, and I would recommend that you speak to an attorney immediately, because filing lawsuits against the government has its own processes. If you have any questions or thoughts, please drop a comment below or shoot me a message.